Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to change your Etsy email notification settings. So the first thing that you will need guys to do is to log into your account. So let's go here, sign in, and that's like that. So what you will need to do to modify your notifications, simply go to your account here, go to account settings. Now go to notification in this area as you will see, and you will find many things. So here you will find all the notifications related to your email. For example, here email notification settings for this email, which is our email for this video. So email me when we can check here, or forever whenever someone sends me a message, whenever I send a message, or someone's followed me. So you can change them depending on what you'd like to change, of course. And once you changed anything, you can literally go here and save the settings. In case you haven't changed or saved the settings, the changes that you've done are not going to be saved and it's not going to work. So there is also some other things related to Etsy. For example, email subscriptions for tests videos@gmail.com. So here we have other stuff like marketing stuff from Etsy. For example, whenever there is new and notable deals from Etsy, they will send us like get the very best of Etsy from new trends and recommendations. There will be feedbacks, coupons, and promotions in case you would like to have some forums and Etsy advocacy, or simply for sellers you will have news and features and pattern news. So you can change all of that depending on what you would like to have as notification. And yeah, this is basically it. You can play with them, use them the way you want it, and switch them and finally save them. So that was it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a beautiful comment. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.